Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome to another unboxing. And nakikita nyo ngayon, exciting ang ating tech unboxing for today. Ang ating bubuksan ay ang Apple HomePod Mini. Oh, before nga pala, a little bit background, I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Kaya ayan, nakita nyo, ating face tracking. And I'm also experimenting sa audio quality. So I'm using the DJI Osmo Mic 2 nakasama dun sa Osmo Pocket 3. Usually, when I record in this space, laging may echo and I don't like the sound. So, tingnan natin. Nasa loob nga pala guys ako ng consultation room ko dito sa clinic. Yung usually nakikita nyo may logo is dun sa lobby. So, ayun. Ang background ng speakers na to, nung HomePod Mini is, it's never released dito sa Philippines. Yung aking original na HomePod na itim, na I'm using also here in the clinic is nabili ko sa US nung last kong pumunta doon. And I really like the sound quality and yun yung main speaker na ginagamit ko sa home system namin sa bahay. But since lumipat nga ako sa clinic, or I decided to put it in the clinic. Ngayon, ang issue sa kanya is since nandun siya sa reception room, when I play music, hindi siya umaabot dun sa mga treatment areas. In fact, kailangan sobrang lakas para umabot. So, I decided to, dapat mayroong mga speakers dito sa each of the rooms at saka dun sa mga treatment areas. So, guys, I chose white at saka yellow or close to gold because yun yung team ng colors ng clinic natin. And, ano pa masasabi ko? Yeah, let's just do the unboxing. I'll unbox too kasi syempre, obviously, pareho lang naman yung laman nito. So, ayan. This is worth $100 guys sa US. So, it's around mga 5,500. Hindi ka makakakita nito sa mga Power Mac shops at saka mga Apple shops dito kasi hindi siya release dito sa Pilipinas. So, randomly, you can see this sa mga specialty tech shops pero it's priced around 7,000 to 8,000 na. So, laki na ng patong. But, ayun, nagpabili ako ng 3. So, salamat sa ating sponsor. Ayan. Open natin, guys. Unahin natin itong yellow. So, this may be the only Apple product na hindi easy open. Kasi di ba usually parang may easy tab pag Apple products. Okay. I recall yung yung original HomePod ko. Malaki lang na ganito, pero yes, ganito rin yung packaging niya. And then, okay, so nakalagay HomePod Mini. Ikot. Medyo mahirap siya guys. Tada! So it's very pretty. Ayan, so braided cable na yellow din and white yung pinakataas na. Itong skin ito is, I think the whole thing glows up. Hindi gaya nung original HomePod na yung gitna lang yung parang umiilaw. So it's very nice. And then, ano pang laman? Dito ay the usual documentations. I'm not sure kung ilalagay pa sila ng stickers. And walang sticker. And the charging brick. And yun lang guys, yun lang yung laman niya. So, nothing much dito sa HomePod Mini. Tingnan lang natin yung itsura ng white. Okay. Okay. Ayaw niya ma-open. Ayan. Christmas came early this year. Ayan, open na natin yung pangalawa. This is the white HomePod Mini. And then I'm sure guys, puting-puti, ganda. Same, white braided cable. And then documentations and power brick. So yun guys, that's the unboxing of the HomePod Mini. And ano pa ba? Ano pa bang bago nangyari? Today din pala, Akala ko kasi later pa tonight. Pero kanina pa lang umaga, yung Apple event. So, out na yung iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Hindi mo out, announced na. So, ang pinaka main feature niya additional is the AI features. Tsaka yung kanyang mga bagong camera system. So, are you interested guys of getting the iPhone 16? Tsaka iPhone 16 Pro? Ayan, i-comment nyo lang sa baba. Again, this is Doc Neo saying, be informed, stay inspired, and I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye-bye!